Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to walk you through how to use commands in Notion. Now, using commands in Notion is a quick and efficient way to navigate, organize and create content within your workspace. Whether you want to insert a blog, create new pages or apply specific formatting, commands can help you streamline your workflow. Here's an updated and accurate step-by-step guide on how to use commands in Notion. We're going to learn how to do this using the command palette. The command palette is in Notion is a powerful tool that allows you to execute various actions without needing to navigate through menus. To open it, on the desktop, mark a window, press Command CMD +/ for Mac or Control +/ for Windows to open the command palette. On the web, press Command CMD +/ for Mac or Control +/ for Windows. On your mobile, there isn't a direct shortcut for mobile, but you can access commands by typing in the // in any blank space or block. It's as simple as that. That is how to access the command palette